weeks, Georgie is really excited to visit the top floor finalists. She's now traveling to check out their collection. He's thrilled to see what they've done so far. We're expecting a lot from our top floor designers since this is for their final collection. So let's see. Let's join Georgie on his visits.
Nung nalaman ko na mapunta na si Georgie dito sa amin, medyo kinabahan ako kasi ayaw niya yung mga malikabok. Hi, sir! I am proud to be an Ilocano at that moment kasi I'm in front of the capital of Ilocos Norte waiting for a guest. Maganda pa rin. Yes, sir.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Punta po tayo sa shop ko.
Sige. Okay, paano tayo pupunta doon?
Kaya magkalesa. Hiya factor din ako, pero proud ako na ipapakita ko sa kanya yung kung saan ako nagsimula. Diba po? Yes, sir. Malit lang yung space. Pag gabi na, winawalisan ko dito ako sa floor. Nakita ko yung contest ako sa Abel Iloco. At nakita niya naman yung mga ginawa kong damit ni governor namin. Tsaka, pinakita ko rin sa kanya yung old machine ko.
At dito nabuo ang aking mga pangarap sa Project Runway.
Inig natin yung mga friends ko, sir, at merienda tayo.
Guys, hello!
This is my mentor, Sir Georgie Loren.
Hello!
Nung paghatid nila sa akin, pag-audition, sabi ko sa kanila, hindi ko kayo maibibigyan ng pamasahe. Eh sabi naman nila, basta galingan mo na lang para ang joke nila sa akin is, pag nanalo, pagkakati-hatian daw namin yung pet.
So you've been friends for long now?
Yes.
So what do you think of his chances?
He has this big potential with a strong determination in life, not only to be known as a great designer here in Ilocos, in the entire Philippines, but also worldwide. And hopefully, he will bring home the bacon.
Beautiful friend.
Hi, Shiva. Shiva.
Diba, sir? Favorite niya. Sa'yo lahat to, sir. Punta tayo sa kung saan mo kinuha ang inspiration ko for the collection.
Okay. Sige. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Nice meeting you guys. Bye-bye. I traveled so many miles to see your inspiration.
So, okay, saan? Dito.
What is this called?
Kapor po na white po, sir.
Ito na po, sir. Ang ganda.
Ako sa mga lines ng mga rocks na ito. And I use the color palette. Cream, nude, gray.
Your collection is very linear pero
kinuha ko yung mga texture nila, sir, the silhouette, and yung parang roughness siyang tignan. Pero pag ginawa ka mo naman yung ganito, sir, it's soft.
Very interesting.
Yes, sir. Papakita ko po sa'yo yung mga finish ko na.
So, dadali mo na ako ngayon doon.
Yes, sir.
Sige.
So, ito na po, sir.
So, paano? We draw the curtains?
Yeah.
Ganyan ba?
Yeah.
Okay. Game.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yes, sir. So,
I like it. Okay. Magano tayo, isa-isa.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the first dress that caught my attention. I see the different textures of the stone formation, the colors, and I love what you did with the zipper opening, no?
yes.
The workmanship, I suggest that you trim your seam allowances sa loob kasi medyo matatambok siya, bulky. You achieved here a sense of rigidity na may matigas na part, no? Parang rocks talaga siya. And I like it. And yun na nga, they're different, but then they become cohesive. Yan ang parang wala ako nakikita.
Ay, wala pa kasi yung loob niya, sir.
Pero parang parang it looks, parang handicraft, parang lalagay ka ng paso, Parang I do not see your inspiration there. It's so vegetal.
Sige, sir.
Buti na lang hindi ka tapos.
Oo nga. Gagamitin ko na lang bukas sa beach.
Oo. Hindi ka na lang tapos. I should say that I wasn't disappointed at all. The pieces of your collection, they are cohesive and they reflect your inspiration. So, congratulations. Okay, so next time I see you, it's gonna be at our academy, ha?
Yes. Happy ako kasi parang para sa akin, mapipinish ko na tong collection.
Sir Jojo, nakakasahit ako. Bato, naging ba to? Hi! Kumusta po? Welcome to Camarines.
Thank you.
Ano po muna? Kumusta na? So, layo mo na
Again, and how's your collection going?
Almost there.
Okay, I'm excited ba to see it.
Tutayo natin yung lugar kung saan ko. Ako yung inspiration ko.
Okay, let's go.
Ito lang po tayo. Ito yung Saba, ang lugar sa Agirangan.
Agirangan yung island.
Ito, saan nakuha ko yung inspiration ko. Ano po pala yung view dito ng Maymay.
Okay, no?
Welcome to Agirangan.
Ganda.
Sulit lang to pero may something na nakaka-remind sa akin.
At ano naman ang nare-remind sa iyo?
Nung bata pa po ako, dito na ako dinadala ng parents ko. Kaya kita din mo dito kasi dito ko anak ko yung inspiration ko. Yung nakita mo na waves, yung nag-bubble siya.
Okay.
I always wonder kung paano kayo kung ipopost natin ng time. Yung,
Nandiyan na yung
oo, nandiyan yung bubbles. Tapos yung mga textures and color palettes, dito ko rin siya nakuha.
So yan, yung parang splash na ganyan, tapos nakikreate ng mga bubbles.
So yun yung dahan-dahan kong gawin. So again, I use plastic bottles. At the same time, gusto ko rin pakita na we can care for the environment.
We use them,
Yes.
transform them into another item.
So huwag natin tingnan ng yung reflection ng bubbles.
Nasa ng bubbles. Ayan na, ayan.
Ayan ang way.
Okay.
Sa palagay ko na ipaliwanag ko naman ng maayos yung inspiration ko. Diretso na po tayo sa bahay. Ang kagaling dito. I think my family is waiting there.
Really? Okay.
I'm with my friends. Ayan, nandito na tayo. So, Georgie, this is our house. And I wanted to meet my family. Welcome to our house, Sir Georgie. Meet my perfect family. I think the food is ready.
Okay.
Let's do it.
I am so happy to bring Sir Georgie to meet my family. Na nakita ko naman kung gaano ko lang winalcome ng family kasi Sir Georgie.
How was Nell like before? Ever since ba, he wanted to become a fashion designer?
Talaga po, nung bata po yung nahilig na siya. Kasi minsan nalalagay po, nasa, nagagawa ng kung ano-ano. Kasi minsan itong mga niya dito, mga flagger sa tabi-tabi ng mga bata. Ginagawa niya yung mga, model niya. Tapos, inaano niya ng mga gamit. Kasi siguro, pagdating ng araw, siguro kakulit ang mga susunod. So talagang,
Because you're a dressmaker. So sa kanya, sa mami mo na tutunan lahat. So how do you feel naman na that Nell is one of the 4 remaining designers sa Project Runway?
siyempre po proud na proud kami kasi gusto ko sa lahat ba naman na sumali nakasama siya sa pagmamahal sa bukal po kami.
Habang nanunukimbat ako, parang gusto ko sabihin na I love you. Na supportive sila sa akin. So, Sir Georgie, how's the lunch?
Ayan, ubos. Super sarap. Maraming salamat. Yes.
So, ready ka na, Sir Georgie, papakita ko muna sa yung
Trabaho na ulit.
trabaho mo.
Okay. Sige. So, nag-iwan namin kayo. And thank you very much. I really enjoyed this lunch with you. Maraming salamat. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Nice meeting you.
Sir Georgie, this is my work room.
Okay, it's breezy and airy.
Wala akong pintana.
Mas ang ganda.
Oh, this is my first sewing machine. Baby ko yan. Lahat talaga ng ginawa ko ng experiment. You can see yung patterns ko. Nag-try ako na maggawa ng mga cutouts. Since ang inspiration ko nga is bubbles, I call my collection having the frozen bubbles.
Your palette is made up of yellow, oranges,
And some silver gray.
silver gray.
Color of the foam.
Okay.
So, yung address naman po, nandun sa shop na nagtindar ko. Sana po, nagustuhan na. So, Georgie, this is my collection.
Okay. Enlighten me. How are they interconnected?
So, dito sa collection, papakita ko na ibang nail na to. Ginugol ko ang time ko sa paggawa ko ng mga ganito. Simple yung silhouette na makikita, pero pag tinignan mo, parang tatanong ka, ano ba to?
Ang question ko naman is, while your clothes are on the ramp, people won't see those little details, which I love, I love these details. These I like very much. I mean, you made use of plastic, pero parang, you did something very different. Now, it doesn't look like plastic, it looks like lace.
Yes.
Ito, parang umuwi. Lalo na yun. So, all you have to do is do a little editing. You don't need to show everybody, everything that you know. Ang problema mo is how to make your collection look cohesive. I think you have nothing to prove in terms to, the technical aspect of, making clothes.
Parang, ginitin niya na ako, oy, ano to? Oh, sobra na pala to.
Thank you. Okay, good luck, ha? Bye now.
Thank you very much talaga sa project kami kasi I can call myself a designer now.